So hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. So this time I'm going to review the Michio Kaku, my Michio Kaku book collection. So come, let's see. So in total I have as of now only 4 Michio Kaku books. I had 5 but I have given one hyperspace to one of my friend. So for those who don't know who Michio Kaku is, let me just show you. He is Michio Kaku now, and earlier he looked like this. So yeah, Michio Kaku is actually a Henry Semet Chair Professor of City College of New York, and he's widely regarded for his books, generally for the popularizing the science. He's also known as the new Carl Sagan. So I have 4 books of him, and let me show you. The first one is the Michio Kaku Physics of the Future, the inventions that will transform our lives. So this book basically talks about the future of different fields. So this is actually not only a popular science book but also a futuristic book. It talks about the future of artificial intelligence, AI, future of computer, future of medicine, nanotechnology, future of energy, space, future of space travel, and all you can see here in the contents. I have given this book rating of 4.5 out of 5. So of course it's one of the amazing books. That's why I have given it such a good review. So in this book, Michio Kaku has actually interviewed 300 scientists. You can see here are the names of them, and he came to the conclusion about all the future of these different fields. So it's an amazing book if you want to know about the future, which job will be ahead and which job will be popular in the coming next century. So this book is an amazing book. As you know, he's an amazing book for me. If you will ask me about different physicist and popularizer of science, who is the better popularizer of science, so I would definitely gonna name Michio Kaku in the top 3 popularizers of science, and also as a science communicator. So that's the level of Michio Kaku. And if you don't know him, then let me tell you that you really are in a very beginning phase of knowing the science, because he's a very big name in the field of it. So next book is the Michio Kaku Physics of the Impossible, and this book is actually an amazing book for those who want to know about everything in just a compact book and also in a clear manner. It's an amazing book for teenagers, for especially from 8th grade to 12th grade, because it develops interest in physics for those who don't like to know about it. So yeah, this book I bought in 18 June 2019, so it has been, now it's 2 years. I read last year only. So this book actually talks about let me show you the contents. So here it is. It is divided into different 3 parts which talk about class 1 impossibility, which means the problems which will be solved in this decade only, and the part 2 impossibility, these are the possibilities that could be attained in this century, and the third part is about the problems which will be attained in your of course in this millennium, you can say. So here are it talks about telekinesis, psychokinesis, robot, invisibility, nanotechnology, faster than space, faster than light travel, and all. So it's an amazing book. It also talks about different ancient Indian sages. So yeah, I like this book very much, and I have given this rating of, let's see, yeah, I have given this book rating of 4.9 out of 5. So yeah, just by the rating you can see. And the third book and the most amazing, and my first Michio Kaku book, which I bought on my birthday in 2018, which is Michio Kaku Parallel Worlds, the science of in alternative universe and our future in the cosmos. So yeah, this is my first book which I bought it from Flipkart on 16 November 2018. So yeah, and I have given this book a rating again 4.9 out of 5. So yeah, this is the best book actually on the string theory, because if you know Michio Kaku, then you must be also be knowing that he's a string theorist and also a supporter of it, though he is also a theoretical physicist. So this book talks from the baby picture of the universe, paradoxical universe, then goes through Big Bang, also talks about inflationary universe of Alan Guth, which is a theory given by him. Alan Guth is a Nobel Prize winner. So yeah, it talks about everything, and the best description of string theory, I would say, is given by him only in this book, Parallel Worlds. And I have read many books on string theory, like of Brian Greene, like the fear, like the fabric of the cosmos, and the expanding universe, and also the inflationary universe by Alan Guth. But the best understanding which I got is from this book. So of course, highly recommended if you want to know about string theory from basic to high advanced. And the fourth book, I have also reviewed it separately. You can see it on my channel, which is The Future of Humanity. It was actually the latest book, but now another his new famous book has come, that is The God Equation, which I'm going to soon purchase. I'm soon going to purchase it. But as of now, I have this. It is written by him in 2018, and I have purchased it on 3 of March 2019. So yeah, it's an amazing book again. It contains actually a general description of the book, description of the science, everything. It is actually on the modern science, if you say. It's an amazing book, and if you want to know about it more, then please see my video which I have made separately on this. And the rating I have given is 5 out of 5, of course, because it contains many new things which these 3 books actually don't have. Or you can say actually these 3 books are are on the particular topic, that's why. And this book is actually a general overview, so it is the best for the beginners. So this book is, I have read it 1 year back. So these were my 4 books which I reviewed of Michio Kaku, and do let me know in the comments which book you want me to review. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.